In standard, car news hounds love hatchbacks and wagons. The ones people write here at Autoblog are not any one of a kind. Most people presently very own or have owned one inside the beyond, or are looking for a smooth Mercedes-Benz S123 in the future. They provide as lots or greater utility as a crossover without the negative gas economic system and compromised driving dynamics that include them. Nevertheless, a few human beings need a little bit of ground clearance, and that is in which lifted wagons like this 2018 Audi A4 Allroad are available. Audi has been on a killer roll in recent years. After spending a long time playing a Volvo-like second mess around to Mercedes-Benz and BMW, the German automaker is popular in terms of design, luxury and overall performance. Our vintage lengthy term Allroad is dearly ignored, especially at this time of year over the holidays. We like this car's heated seats, heated steering wheel and Bang Olufsen sound machine to make the ride extra cozy. The very last big alternative is the generation package that consists of Audi Digital Cockpit, a totally virtual device cluster. Editor-in-leader Greg Migliori, the A4 Allroad is an automobile I'd strongly remember installing in my storage. It is sporty, useful and looks smart. The faster 4 is solid, and the 7-pace S-tronic gearbox is clean. And with all-wheel pressure, this thing is lots successful. I in reality wished for snow on my drive into the office. It is the right aggregate of sportiness and comfort. The wagon is my preferred variation of the A4. It gives a first-rate amount of area, even though I didn't want to haul something. But the Allroad is lots successful. You would possibly take into account our A4 Allroad long-termer from remaining summer. I loaded that beast up with lawn bricks and mulch like crazy. The K9 favored that vehicle, too. That one become inexperienced. This one is black with 18-inch wheels and the beige and black interior punched up with grey OK inlays. I like the scheme better. It is greater elegant. Driving a wagon within the winter feels right, and I loved my 2 cold nights on this Allroad. It's also a capable driver, although not as attractive as I might prefer. The engine is impressively powerful, unleashing all of its torque slightly off idle. It is interesting however abrupt. Picking extra slight using settings takes the brink off, though. The steering is weighted well however feels numb, specifically simply off-center. This Allroad felt like a extra adept nook car, but then I bear in mind our lengthy termer being, notwithstanding the lack of recreation suspension. However, I suppose it truly is due to the fact I haven't been in a game suspension-ready A4 in a while. The trip changed into stable, but some bumps delivered greater kick than I would like, and I felt the occasional atypical shimmy from the return. Nevertheless, the Allroad is in first-rate all-rounder that I might propose to everybody, particularly if they are not overall performance-obsessed fanatics like myself. Finish.